Wow. Slow.
Jack, up!
Okay. Go slow. Hello. Hi, Roxy. Beautiful. Oh, go slow. Stop here for a bit. Hey, guys, let's hear it. Let's hear it for the nurses. Oh, perfect. Yeah, she's doing good. All right, let her go. Look at that. Right in front of them.
Yeah, I'll go right here.
Yeah, it's okay. This is the family. Wow. Hey. Look at you guys. All right.
Thanks, Hans.
You're welcome. Oh, now I know how you